Hello cuties, welcome back to my channel. Today is last day of Navratri and also the last day of my Navratri series. Uh, Today is celebrated in the honor of Ma Siddhidatri. She completes the journey of 9 days. She is the one who blesses us with Siddhis, uh, that's divine powers. Also, and with her grace, our Navratri sadhana reaches its fulfillment. Color of the day is pink. We all know pink stands for love, kindness, and compassion. After 8 days of strength, wisdom, courage, and transformation, today is all about softness, gratitude, and completeness or fulfillment of your life. Pink may look gentle to you, or some people call it that pink is a very feminine color, very gentle color. But do not mistake gentleness for weakness. Pink carries strength of love, strength of compassion, strength of kindness, and the strength to heal us and uplift us, and not just us, everyone around us. So today, let me share a story to you guys that brings the essence of Ma Siddhidatri's blessings, that is strength, love, compassion, and gratitude. There was once a man who used to live in a big, busy city, and life was fast, competitive, and pretty harsh. Every day he used to prove himself at work, um, taking all the effort. Often he was left feeling frustrated, sad, and alone by himself. He was so upset about himself that why can't no one see my efforts and everything. So just one day, after a very difficult day at work, he just went to a park, sat by himself. Remember Green Magic? Yeah. So, and he was talking to himself. Why does life always feels like a battle? ये ऑफिस में जाना, लाइफ को सरवाइव करना, युद्ध भूमि जैसा फीलिंग क्यों आती है? Why does it feel like we are always fighting some or the other battle with the life? Why does no one see my efforts? He wondered out loud. And at that very moment, अचानक से a very old woman sat beside him. She didn't know him, she didn't ask any questions, he didn't know her, even he didn't say anything. She simply smiled at him and offered him a half-eaten packet of a biscuit. And it was a very small moment, अगर देखा जाए तो मतलब ऐसे कुछ बहुत बड़ा ऐसे दिव्य चीज़ नहीं हुई. But to him, it was everything. The smile and kindness felt right at home. To him, it felt like a ray of light in his darkness. And you know what? It's a very small incident to change someone's life, but if you think about it, that they realize sometimes the greatest strength is in softness of love and compassion. And that hurts. And over the time, he started changing himself. He started changing from within, changing the way he used to live, And now, at work, instead of snapping back at work, listening to his criticism, he started responding calmly. And instead of competing with his colleagues, he started helping them. And slowly, his life started being transformed. उसकी life बदलने लगी. And इसीलिए नहीं क्योंकि दुनिया उसकी बदल गई, but इसीलिए क्योंकि वो बदल गया. And उसने सबसे ज़्यादा पावरफुल चीज़ डिस्कवर कर ली, and that is power of love. Years later, he still remembers that old woman who taught him a very simple but a very deep lesson. That love is strength and gratitude makes us feel whole. So this is what my Shailaputri teaches us. She reminds us that after all the battles of 8 days, that is transformation, showing strength, courage, true fulfillment comes from love, compassion, and gratitude. So today, let's pause and look back at the 9 days that we celebrated together. The discipline of Ma Shailaputri, the devotion of Ma Brahmacharini, the strength of Ma Chandraghanta, the courage of Ma Katyani, protection of Ma Kalaratri. Thank you so much for being with me on this series. Hope you all loved it. And do let me know if you want to know anything else about 9 Devis. I would love to talk about it. Thank you so much. Love you guys. See you.